Good morning, everyone. We are here live with June Baker, and she is going to tell us everything about Novant Health medical services today here in Brunswick County. So, June, welcome to the Carpool here.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
Yeah, we are so excited to have you. Novant Health is all over Brunswick County, and you have many clinics and medical services that you provide here in our local area as well as countywide. So please, June, tell us a lot about Novant Health.
Well, thank you so much for asking me to be here, and there's a lot to tell because of the growth in this area. You all know very well how large and how wide this county is, and all these people are moving in, so we have to, develop new services and what have you to take care of these folks. And a couple things that have happened here just recently that I'm most excited about are the new partnerships that we're developing with local facilities and healthcare providers. Something that just happened yesterday, the New Hanover Regional Medical Center's Airlink has decided to house one of their helicopters at our helipad in Brunswick County, actually in Bolivia.
Oh, good.
Right at the hospital.
Oh, my goodness.
And yesterday we had the ribbon cutting and an open house, and it was attended by lots of people. We probably had 150 guests. And so it will be parked there on a daily basis from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m., which is the peak hours for emergency care. And then we're hoping that that will progress and we'll go to 24/7 coverage. So that's a great thing. And not only will it help us, but it helps our partner in Southport, Dosher Memorial Hospital, because it will also pick patients up there and take them directly to New Hanover or wherever they need to go to get the services they need, whether it be Chapel Hill or Duke or New Hanover or wherever. And oftentimes, there's a lot of car accidents and things, and they'll go pick the patients up right there and take them where they need to be.
And it sounds like an exciting addition to the healthcare services that are provided in Brunswick County.
It's really a great thing for the residents of Brunswick County because the care that they need, the very critical care that they need, will be so much closer to them by cutting out the airtime between New Hanover and here because it will already be here. So that's a great thing. And the second partnership that I'm really excited about is with Dosher Memorial Hospital. We have developed a partnership where we will provide surgical services at Dosher Memorial Hospital. So one of our local surgical groups is New Hanover. It's hard to say, New Hanover and Novant Health.
I know.
It's Novant Health Surgical Associates, who has they have offices in Leland and in South Brunswick and here in Southport as well as in Bolivia. So the office here has moved to the campus of Dosher Memorial Hospital, and they will be providing surgical procedures there at the hospital and as well as at Novant Health in Bolivia. So that's a great thing.
Yeah.
There's no reason to go outside the county for your health care anymore unless you need those, a larger tertiary care facility. So a lot of the procedures that are done and surgical procedures can be done here locally, whether at Dosher or at Novant Health. So we're really excited about that partnership. It's a great facility to work with. Dosher's been very accommodating, and their staff is great, and our surgeons love doing surgery there as well as at Novant Health.
Now, Novant Health Brunswick Community Hospital Medical Center is located where?
It's at 240 Hospital Drive, and that's in Bolivia, which I always say supply because people aren't real sure where Bolivia is. It's right near the big intersection of 211 and Highway 17.
Okay. And that hospital was built pretty recently.
In 2011.
Okay.
Yeah, in 2011 we moved into that facility, and it looks like it was a year old. I mean, we have a great staff that takes care of it, and they do a phenomenal job. The floors shine. It's very, very clean and well kept.
That's wonderful. And then you have several clinics all around.
We do. We have many clinics. We go all the way from Leland to nearly to Calabash, down in the Carolina Shores area. We have a practice down there, and one in Leland, and then we have one in Southport, two in Southport, and we have one in Bolivia, and then a huge one in Charlotte. That's our largest clinic there. And we recently just relocated our plastic surgeon, Dr. Philip Kahn, and he now has his office in Southport, and it is on House Street. It's at the corner of 133 and whatever that road is, House Street. We recently moved him there, and that's been a great thing for his practice and for the folks in Southport. So yeah, we're happy about that too.
That's great. Now, what kind of things does Dr. Kahn provide there?
He is a board certified plastic surgeon, and he does some hand reconstructive surgery also. But his passion is plastic surgery, whether it be fixing birth defects, all sorts of maladies that may occur in children. And he also does a lot of cosmetic plastic surgery.
That's great.
He does do some things in his office too. He has many procedures that he can do in his office, and he's taking new patients. And he told me yesterday that he is thinking about getting privileges at Dosher, and so it's likely that in the real near future he'll begin doing procedures at Dosher as well as at Novant Health Brunswick Medical Center.
So I noticed in healthcare it's all about providing services close to home.
Exactly.
And that's where the medical industry is going,
That's
is it
exactly
not?
right.
And I see where Brunswick Novant Health is really providing those services very much in our community, and you do such a good job at it, so thank you so much for that.
Oh, you're welcome. Yeah, that's a big thing for us. We believe in providing excellent care, but close to home. We try to take the health care to the people who need it, and that's why we've spread out and are all the way from Leland down to Carolina Shores.
And you do have a wonderful staff of physicians, and we met those at the opening not too long ago
Right.
of the partnership for the
Endoscopy Center.
Endoscopy Center.
Yes, that
Yeah.
is another great thing. It will be a year old next month, I believe, and that's been really well received. And again, it's endoscopy services close to home, and because it's an outpatient facility and it's the only one in Brunswick County that's freestanding, it is less expensive than having procedures within a hospital setting. So that's been really well received.
So what, Novant is a big corporation.
It is.
But I think what I've always noticed about locally here is you don't notice that. It really is, it's like...
It's a hometown feel.
Right.
And that's one of the things that we're very proud of. Novant Health is a big corporation, and we have 12 hospitals all over the state, and thousands of physicians. But here in Brunswick County, we kind of do it the Brunswick County way, because we think it's important that we keep that kind of relationship with the public. And so you will always feel at home at Novant Health.
Well, thank you so much for being in our carpool today. June Baker with Novant Health Brunswick Medical Center, and their website is
NovantHealth.org.
So please check them out for all your medical needs, and I know that they can provide what you need when you need it, and they have wonderful partnerships locally here as well with other physicians and hospitals. So please make sure you check NovantHealth.org.
NovantHealth.org.
Wonderful.
We'll be happy to help.
Thank you, June, and thank you for everything that you all do to keep us healthy and well.
And thank you for having us.